Watch. The world, it's not a plan. Here we go on, man. Yo, hear me. Franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You know when I come to represent, you know a full effecting, don't it? You know what go already, you know. When I aim up, load up, crank up, sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment. You know a loud explosion, boy. Watch me, man. You know a Gaza favorite, you know. You know the people's champion, you know. You know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Hear me, man. Gaza Nation, what me tell you now? What me tell you about Scorch Earth? You think a lollipop thing? What me tell you about Scorch Earth? Eh? You hear the man say I'm not fight cartoon why? I not hear the man say that some big boy feel like them can get him down quarter that goes to you, you know. They can get down, the man say I'm stand per, oh, you're crazy. I want to lick up on the head. We don't fight cartoon war, you know. And right now, you know, I tell you, I don't want to hear nothing more about it, you know. So right now, you know, I see all I do and I come out and I make and I talk up film spot. I make people know say a vybz cartel and then him. Is what I deal with. And before you come with this controversy shit, make sure I do and I go discuss about the genocide and the fourth gender business. Because I fight for that and still a fight for who wicked in a lyrics. So I go take care of that situation there. World boss in a class by himself. Gaza Nation tell me the living truth. If I know the wickedest chorus that you ever hear, no life from a dancehall artist. Oh, is a choir sing it? You can't ask me, I don't know. I never ask DJ them. But I can if I feel like, but you know, but you ever know. But it looks so like an international choir sing it to me, you know what I mean? I must ask DJ them, you know, how the fuck perform that chorus there, you know. Boombook, hey. Yo, me say, are the wickedest thing that, why the man never drop that song there early up now here, man? Are the wickedest thing that, I say, yo, right now, you know, it scotch out the whole of people's ears. You know what I mean? Are the wickedest chorus me ever hear from a dancehall artist, and I'm not lying. What me say? Free vybz cartel. Gaza Nation need vybz cartel. World boss. Coming from Ochi, I'ma feel thirsty. Some other 2 quarter Johnny Walker whiskey. And me alone I drive, and me dead lonely, and me look smarty for keep my company. Me a drive, me a listen some world bossy, some Anita Baker sister with me. When me make the first turn pan firm gully, me looking at the road, me see a nice lady, a pretty, looks alone, raise up me Charlie. Me said, hello miss, hi sexy chick, what you doing on the road? I was like this. She said my car broke down, I couldn't fix it. Off left it with a friend in our local district. Are you going to town? Can you give me a lift? Oh my, I really would appreciate it. Me say jumping on my car, jumping on my Civics. Meanwhile, me a drive, me a fling 2 lyrics. When me take a stop, the girl draw down my zip, have me thing like a mic. She a DJ upon it and have me 2 testicle a play table. Watch. Gaza Nation, I don't feel like I could have used that verse there for my intro. Me say the sickest thing me ever hear. You know what I mean? Well creative, well spontaneous. Yo, it's a real blessing to have them one day in a dancehall who produce such type of dynamic lyrics to listeners and dancehall lovers' ears. Yo, it's a one of a kind thing. Yes, when I deal with them, I ask you, make you know, say, Gaza Nation, Gaza vybz cartel thing is a one of a kind thing. It's like a brand new thing, one can't believe it. Don't ever try because the dust can't do it. Police chase with young man in a them jeeps and we lay down for we ninja, we bust all wheelies. Watch. You know the 10-star one in a full effect in a Gaza Nation. We never see talk the living truth. You don't have to be a Gaza member. You never have seen a dancehall artist like vybz cartel. I make me show you something. You're going to have to start show appreciation because there's so much artists in a dance hall and you don't have none where fit the caliber. So make sure you start show some appreciation and stop take greatness, for granted, You understand me? Because somehow, you just stuck up and somehow you followers will follow people and you know whole a particle, you know whole nothing at all for yourself. You see what I deal with? So anything where people swing go this so swing from it look like it have glimmer and glitter too. You see what I deal with? But I say to all the dancehall nation, you know what I mean, and the people them will listen dancehall. Go have to get start, appreciate them things more and more, because I'm telling you something, it's a one of a kind thing, and you never have ever seen it happen yet. Nowhere in the world, you never have seen nobody in a prison nowhere in the world for so long and a dominate music out the street. That mean, when you hear some artists talk up their mouth, them a run round dance hall like a circle. A run round it. Vybz Kartel, run it. You hear that? Run it. Meanwhile, you run round it. You see what I deal with? And I look how man run it. You know what I mean? Somehow, for start find some dynamic fashion for yourself and start get the people them some of them music please there. You know what I mean? Well, people listen music, them feel well pleased and well appreciated by the artist, the way him struck time art. You understand me? So, you know, Gaza Nation, you see Scott, the earth drop, the whole world in a misery right now. Let me tell you something. You see when the video world government drop, let me tell you something, man. I don't think nobody are going to vote in the election. A Vybz Kartel, everybody are going to come out and vote for say come out of prison. When the election, I will not talk about people for vote. When people are going to a place who want to take up census and all them shit there, you're not going to see the people them come and say free Vybz Kartel. And I don't vote where I put on. Free Vybz Kartel. Gaza Nation need Vybz Kartel. World boss. What? Yo, a 10-star, Hey. You don't know how the general, Watch this now, man. You don't know how the chooses one, right? You know. You don't know how the people's champion, don't it? Watch this. You don't know how Gaza favorite, right? You don't know how YouTube greatest, don't it? The most electrifying man. Gaza way. There ain't no other way. Hear this. Watch. Watch.